Hey, this is Brian Ordway from Techway Automotive. Today I want to talk about the importance of regular oil changes, regular maintenance on your vehicle. The oil change is probably the cheapest service you can do to your vehicle other than a tire rotation. The oil change is the life of your engine. So many people, our lives are so busy and we just don't take the time to have oil change on our vehicle like we should. I want to show you, I got a little Chevy Trailblazer here, and I want to show you what happens to an engine when you don't change your oil regular like you should. This engine is completely sludged up. It come in, we pulled the valve cover off of it. You can see the sludge down inside of here. This sludge will not go away. You can do whatever you want to try and clean this sludge out of here, and you're just going to make it worse. You can clean the sludge up, then it starts stopping things up. It starts stopping up the oil galleys. It starts stopping up your tensioners. It just creates a disaster. No matter what we do to this engine in this vehicle is gonna have to be replaced eventually. Yes, they can patch it. We'll put a cam phaser in it. It can be patched for now. It's not gonna last long. My suggestion is either put an engine in it or put it back together and sell the thing. Well, then it becomes somebody else's problem. My point is, the oil change it's a priceless service. You have to have your oil changes done. If you don't, you're gonna spend crazy money fixing a vehicle. I'd love to sell everybody an engine. I'd rather see you guys take care of your vehicles, change your oil on a regular basis, and not have to spend that money if you don't need to. Here at Techway, we also offer free pickup and deliveries. So if you're too busy and you're close by to our shop, we'll actually come get it. Within 10 miles of our shop, we'll come pick your vehicle up, bring it back, do the services you want done to it, and bring it back to you at no additional charge. We'll even pick it up for just an oil change. I had a customer call the other day, wanted me to pick it up for just a free tire rotation because we sold them tires. We'll pick it up, we'll do a free tire rotation if that's all you need, and bring it back to you. So again, this is Brian at Techway Automotive in Dothan, Alabama. Thanks.